sa amin kung ano yung napipili nyo, bakit pinili nyo yung sports climbing na hindi as popular as basketball and volleyball, tapos parang hindi gaanong walang ano ba, parang yung hindi ka uhod, hindi ka yayaman. Paano anong naging motivation nyo, yung passion nyo dun sa sports climbing? Because
Ako
naman
na
na
pinakamatanda.
Senior.
Magandang umaga ulit. Nagsimula po ako sa eskwelahan lang. Nakita ko may pader sa eskwelahan during our sports fest. Tapos may pabilisan sila. Sinubukan ko lang kasi nag-basketball ako, nag-soccer ako, nag-badminton ako nung bata ko. And I thought, I never found a sport na tinagalan ko more than 6 months. And when I climbed that wall, and I did it at the time, tapos pagbaba ko, they were like, pwede ba makuha yung number mo? Kasi yung team nagtitraining pag Sabado, sama ka sa amin. So ako, sige, subukan ko ulit. So nag-sign up ako. And from there, nakita ko yung national team. Gusto ko silang makamit at lagpasan. After nun, nakita ko yung international scene. Gusto ko rin makamit yun at lagpasan. And it's just yung progression. Because mahirap siya. Di ba alam natin buhay ng atleta hindi madali. Madaming challenges. Kailangan nila mag-adapt. And kailangan matuto. So, yun yung inahabol ko as an athlete. And now as a coach, teaching the next generation the same discipline, time management, passion for the sport, and sportsmanship in the end. Obviously, financial is critical. May career. And I think nung panahon namin, wala naman nagtuturo paano maging professional athlete. Wala itong social media, and all of these have to be managed as well. So, lahat sila may tools ngayon para magka-career as an athlete. And yan yung gusto ko makita at itulungan gabayan yung mga bata in that journey. So, yun yung passion ko for myself.
Good morning. Ako naman, hindi ako nag-sports nung bata. Isa ako mahihaing bata. Pero nakilala ko ang climbing nung high school po ako. Dahil yung kapatid ko po ay isang mountaineer, and as we know, the roots of rock climbing is in mountaineering. So, nabitbit lang niya ako sa climbing gym, at bilang isang mahiyaing bata, no, takot ako umakyat, takot ako na pinapanood ako ng mga tao. Kaya nakwento ko to sa inyo kanina, no, parang for me, ang naging hope po sa akin is yung feeling ng accomplishment na makadating ka sa taas ng pader. For me, yun yung dun po ako na-addict kasi parang wow, takot ako, naiyak-iyak ako, umakyat, pawis na pawis ka, pagod ka, pero natatapos mo. So the feeling of that sweet small success, no? And you get to feel that every time na nagka-climb ka. Kasi maraming pader eh, 'di ba? Aktatin mo lang isa-isa, so paulit-ulit yung feeling. And nahook po ako sa sport, pinagpala din ako na early on nung nag-start ako mag-climb, no? Buhay na buhay po ang climbing scene. I had the opportunity to join international competitions while I started becoming part of the national team. And I think all of that paved the way for me to be able to win in the 2011 Southeast Asian Games. Because by 2011, I had been competing internationally for at least 8 years. So, ang dami pong experience bago po umabot sa gold. So, yun din po, kagaya ng experience ko, gusto ko lang po maipasa yung experiences and knowledge na naipon namin over the years to the next generation of climbers in the Philippines.
At doon niyo nakilala si Mir.
Yun po. I started as a mountaineer din po. So, and then yung rock climbing and yung mountaineering are actually pretty much the same kasi you just have to keep climbing, go until to the top. And then yun. So, physical and mentally challenging siya. Pero beside doon, kaya ako nagustuhan ng climbing kasi because of the community. So, solid yung community ng climbing. Nung nandun ka sa loob ng climbing gym, nagka-climb kayo, and then after nyo mag-climb, mahirapan, tatawanan kayo, and then at the same time, yun. Ako po yung isa sa mga younger generation na nakita sila Tito Mel, sila Mel, Pahati, Mel Pahati, sila Coach Pahati, sila Coach Mel, compete, and at the same time, na-inspire kami dun sa generation nila. And yun, so yung climbing din teaches me a lot of things like yung discipline, and then ayun, so naging coach na rin ako ngayon and naging route setter. So I wanna give back to the sports na keeping me alive, bumuhay sa akin basically right now. So wanna give back, yun, yung grow din ng mga kids, ng mga young ones ngayon. So yeah, that's what keeping me here.
How about Ika? For me naman po ako, ever since I've been into competitive sports, so high school I was varsity for volleyball, and college I was varsity for rowing. And then, so palagi talaga ako nagtatry ng sport. Like even I tried biking, even OCR competitively. But I think what helped me in climbing is, it's very inclusive. Like yung ibang sports, medyo height sila or kailangan matangkad ka. But for climbing, really, anyone can climb. You just have to train for it. And it's really fun. There's that feeling of when you solve a problem, like what Ate Ina said, it's really very fulfilling, and you can progress as long as you train. So I guess that's what really helped me in the sport and made me where I am today.
Thank you. Okay, so Attorney Al, on behalf of the group of Pilipinas Climbing Incorporated, please address our Philippine sports community about this new group, and of course, the main goal come the next competition, especially the SEA Games.
Pilipinas Climbing is here to serve. We're here for our athletes, we're here for our coaches. We have big dreams, very doable. So small steps, Southeast Asian Games, and Olympics. Hopefully, in the near future, we will be recognized by the Philippine Olympic Committee, and as well as being supported by the Philippine Sports Commission. Let me acknowledge the presence of our chairman, Pato Gregorio. Thank you sa mga kaibigan natin sa media. Sama-sama po tayong mag-sport climbing. Kung ayaw nyo talaga mag-obstacle, mag-sport climbing po tayo together. Yun lamang po, magandang umaga at maraming salamat.
Yun. More power to our national athletes, coaches, officials, Pilipinas Climbing Incorporated. Maraming salamat po. God bless everyone. We'll be back with our second final session right after this.
Sir, tayo muna po.